Where's this plane that's in front of us?
Just left.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that plane's already in the air.
However, for your comfort and safety, we always ask that you please keep your seatbelt loosely fastened throughout the flight. Once again, this is a non-smoking flight, so please no smoking. This also applies to the lavatories, which are at the emergency exit doors. The lavatory at the very front is reserved for passengers in club class only, as well as those that are in the main cabin from rows 4 to the back. We ask that you please not cross the curtains at row 4 without being accompanied by a crew member. Mesdames et messieurs, même si nous sommes en cours de vol, demandons s'il vous plaît de garder vos ceintures bouclées jusqu'à l'extinction des consignes lumineuses. Cependant, nous vous recommandons pour votre sécurité de garder vos ceintures bouclées tout au long du vol. Encore une fois, si c'est un vol non fumeur, alors s'il vous plaît ne pas fumer et s'inclut les toilettes qui sont à les portes de sortie. Cependant, la toilette à l'avant est réservée pour les passagers du club 39 seulement. On this flight to Cancun, we'll have the pleasure of offering you the following services. After the seatbelt sign has been switched off, flight attendants will be coming through with the Mexican tourist and customs cards. These are to be filled out completely before our arrival in Mexico. The Mexican government is very stringent on this. You will not be allowed to go into the customs hall if these are not completed in full and signed. Please let the flight attendant in your section know how many cards you'll be needing for your traveling party. Each person must have a tourist card. If you're traveling with children under the age of 16, you can sign for them. And a customs card is one per family. Headsets will be available at the cost of $3, enabling you to watch today's onboard movie, which is Skyfall, starring Daniel Craig. These headsets are part of our fun trio, which for $7, you get the headsets, an alcoholic beverage, and a snack. Comfort kits are also available at the cost of $7. They comprise a blanket, neck pillow, headset, and various travel items. And this is featured also in our Zen Trio, which for $12 you get the comfort kit, including your headset, an alcoholic beverage, and a snack. We'll be starting with our hot breakfast service with juice, coffee, and tea. And a little bit later on, you'll be able to do some duty-free shopping at the comfort of your seat. All you have to do is check out the brochure for some great products at competitive prices. Remember that on Air Transat flights, if you shop for $100 or more, you get a gift with purchase, a silver and Perla bracelet. Now on all Air Transat Transat flights, only credit card payment is accepted, no debit, no cash. So we do invite you to sit back, relax, enjoy the onboard service we have today. We have an awesome crew, and if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. My name is Joanne. Thank you.